Good afternoon students, welcome to class 7 chemistry class. Second chapter already completed. Okay, first and second chapter completed. Today I will discuss question answer. Page number 21. Please open your book and note in your write in your book or note in your book. Okay, the page number 21, because I am discussing very short type question. Please note in your book. First question, choose the correct option. Which of the following is not characteristic of chemical change? Is not characteristics of a chemical change. Okay, mind it is not. Option 1B. There is a no exchange of energy. B number is the correct option. There is a no exchange of energy. And number 2, which of the following is a chemical change? Which of the following is a chemical change? Many things given in your book. The correct answer, frying and egg. Okay, frying and egg. Please note it, frying and egg, because it is chemical change. After that frying, we cannot get this proper egg again. Okay, this is actually the frying and egg. Which of the following properties cannot change in case of physical change? Cannot change in case of physical change. Number 3D, chemical composition. 3D, chemical composition. The physical change, chemical composition, no change. Okay, actually no new substance is formed in physical change. And which of the following is an example of physical but irreversible change? Actually the physical change, you know, this is the reversible change, but one example, this is the actually physical change, irreversible change. Cutting vegetables. This is the number 5. I am talking about number 5. Okay, cutting vegetables. And number 4, this is the, in which the following processes does a liquid change into solid state? Liquid to solid, you know, liquid to solid, freezing. Okay, 4, freezing, and 5, cutting vegetables. Last number, which of the following substances does not supply? Does not supply. Which of the following? Sugar. Okay, first answer 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A, 5D and 6B. Please note in your book and properly watch video, please. And fill in the blanks. Number B. Fill in the blanks. Page number 22. Fill in the blanks. Number B, number 1. In any physical or chemical change that is either absorbed or evolved. You know, this is energy. Energy either evolved or absorbed. Number 2. The process in which solid directly changes to gas is called solid directly into gases. Sublimation. Please also write in your book. The temperature at which liquid changes into vapor, the temperature is called boiling point. Boiling point, not process. Okay, giving you temperature. Breaking of coal into smaller pieces is a physical change. Physical change. Breaking of coal. Okay, breaking of coal. A new substance is formed in a chemical change. New substance is formed, you know, with chemical change, not physical. First energy, second sublimation, 3 boiling point, 4 physical, 5 chemicals. Okay, please write in your book. and next video I will discuss CDEF.